एडवाइस के इंस्टेड ऑफ एडवाइस मैं उनको बोलूंगी कि आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ यू, कितना अमेजिंग गेम खेला है उन्होंने, कि सब लोग लाइक खुद को प्रायोरिटाइज करते हैं, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स द थिंग दैट शी शुड कीप इन माइंड कि आई आल्सो हैव टू प्रायोरिटाइज माय सेल्फ. सो इनिशियली इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू सी हर लाइक दैट, but then I also understood कि इतने tensions बढ़ते हैं घर के अंदर, and you're so like everything is so new and everything. If anything, I just want to tell her that all of us, not just me, mom, like all of us, like Masi, dad, all of us, were very proud of her.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
वेल इस वक्त सारे फैमिलीज रेडी है घर के अंदर जाने के लिए, और इस वक्त मेरे साथ बैठी है अनुष्का. आर यू एक्साइटेड टू मीट योर मदर?
Very excited, nervous but excited.
नहीं, अगर मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँ कि इज दिस द लॉन्गेस्ट दैट यू हैव स्टेड अपार्ट फ्रॉम योर मॉम?
Literally the longest I have never spoken to my mom. Like it's so weird, but I can't wait to see her.
बट पहली चीज क्या करोगे आप घर में जाते हुए? व्हाट सजेशन, व्हाट एडवाइस, गेम के बारे में बात होगी या क्या कुछ होने वाला है?
आई थिंक एडवाइस के इंस्टेड ऑफ एडवाइस मैं उनको बोलूंगी कि आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ यू, कितना अमेजिंग गेम खेला है उन्होंने, एंड आई थिंक दैट इतने सालों Big Boss देख के it's finally paid off. Yeah, she watched so much Big Boss. I used to literally say, "Mama, again we're watching Big Boss," and clearly it's paid off. And she watched it for a reason. So I think that if anything, I just want to tell her that all of us, not just me, mom, like all of us, like Masi, dad, all of us, were very proud of her, and we love her so much, and we can't wait to see her with that trophy finally. Yeah.
But as we see that सारे fandoms बाहर जो होते हैं ना, netizens are divided into two parts. And we get to see there are so many comments about Shilpa ma'am कि Vivian, Rajat and Karan में मैम इतने confused रह गए कि हमें पता नहीं चल रहा है कि clearly who she is with. आपको क्या लग रहा है बाहर से देखकर?
I think कि बाहर से देखकर भी like it's very easy for us to have these opinions and stuff like that, but I think कि also it's very beautiful to see कि उनके इतने friendships बने हैं, and it's always hard to choose between friends. Like even if I was in the house, अगर मैं घर के बाहर भी होती then it's very hard to choose between friends. So I think कि it's very easy to say अरे पर वापस इनका side लिया कि नहीं तो in like she can't pick between these two, but put yourself in her shoes, how can you even pick between two friends? कि you're in such a environment कि सिर्फ ये लोग हैं, like you have to like make friends with people, and she made friends with both Vivian and Karanveer and stuff like that, and I think that in any situation it's even hard to pick between.
Correct. Also हमने शिल्पा मैम को कई बार breakdown होते हुए देखा है, but she carried herself well every time she had a breakdown. काफी इमोशन होते हुए देखा है. इसके बारे में हमने कमेंट्स जो पढ़े वो ऐसे आए थे कि इज शी एक्टिंग हियर इनसाइड द हाउस? उन कमेंट्स, उन ट्रोलर्स को अगर आप कुछ जवाब देना चाहोगे?
I mean सबके ओपिनियन होते हैं, but I mean as her daughter I was very heartbroken to see her like that. It was very hard because I can't go and say anything, I couldn't even tell her, so initially it was very difficult to see her like that.
Correct.
But then I also understood कि इतने tensions बढ़ते हैं घर के अंदर, and you're so like everything is so new and everything, so emotions तो will be at a high. So I understand that, and when I understood that, I started understanding कि वो क्यों रोती है, वो क्यों हंसती है, वो क्यों डांटती है, like all of these things you understand more when you put yourself in that shoe, like those shoes.
बिल्कुल.
But yeah, I think कि इनिशियली मुझे तो बहुत बुरा लगा. आई डोंट नो इफ पीपल थॉट कि वो ऐसे, मैंने देखा बहुत सारी जगह लाइक विक्टिम कार्ड या ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, एंड घर में भी बहुत सारे लोग ने बोला, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स फाइन कि लाइक लोगों के ओपिनियंस, पीपल कैन हैव देयर ओपिनियंस, एंड दैट्स फाइन. आई थिंक मॉम आल्सो रियलाइज इन द हाउस कि people will always have something to say, and that's fine, because you're not playing the game for them, you're playing it for yourself.
Wonderful. इनिशियली जब गेम स्टार्ट हो ना, राशन को लेकर काफी ज्यादा मारामारी होती थी अनुष्का, एंड वी सॉ एट टाइम शी सैक्रिफाइस्ड हर फूड. एक बार शी वेंट टू हर बेड विदाउट हैविंग हर फूड, और फिर ये लोग लेके गए उनको मनाने वगैरह. एज अ डॉटर व्हेन यू सी दिस फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, आप देखते हो कि ऐसा मन करता है अरे मम्मी खा लो यार, क्या कर रहे हो? डू यू फील दैट?
I think that you can see from the show in itself कि उनकी like mothering कितनी है. She would rather take care of other people and feed other people than like take care of herself. But I think कि finally उनको भी पता चला कि even though मैं mother हूँ and मैं लोगों का ख्याल रख सकती हूँ, I have to take care of myself also, because like लोगों को भी पता है जो घर में है कि ये गेम है, so they are playing for themselves. So I think she also realized कि okay, even I have to play for myself. So she's voicing her opinions, she's standing up for herself, she's taking care of herself. So I think कि obviously initially like for anyone it would have been a little bit of an adjustment. But I think she is playing the game according to what she thinks is right, and वो जो भी कर रही है, like clearly कुछ ठीक कर रही है. She made it so far. So I'm very proud of her in the game. She's
वंडरफुल. हाल ही में घर में हमने देखा कि वीकेंड के बाद में कटघरा लगा, कशिश को काफी स्कूलिंग वगैरह हुई. उस दौरान हमें ऐसा लगता है कि शिल्पा मैम की मॉम वाली साइड बहुत ज्यादा बाहर आ गई, बिकॉज शी वाज कॉन्स्टेंटली टेलिंग कशिश टू बिहेव हरसेल्फ, डोंट टॉक बैड इन फ्रंट ऑफ सलमान सर. मतलब अगर वो गलत भी बोल रहे तो सुन के लो. व्हाट इज योर पर्सपेक्टिव ऑन दिस नैरेटिव? वाज शी ट्राइंग टू safeguard Kashish from saying anything ill, or was it from the game perspective that she was really upset with Kashish? क्या चीज थी?
I think like I don't know for sure. I'll go and ask.
Yeah.
But I think that obviously I'm sure it was a bit of both. I'm sure my mom, मतलब उनको पता है कि ये गेम है, but at the same time उनको I'm sure कशिश की परवाह भी है कि वो like कैसे like how she's feeling and stuff like that, and I'm sure she's looking out for Kashish because that is my mom. She's always going to look out for people, even if you do her wrong. She'll still have a soft spot for you like that. So I think कि mom की वो mother side भी बाहर आई है, and she's like can't help but be a mother. Even if you do her wrong, she'll be a mother to you. So I think obviously she cares for Kashish and stuff like that, and I'm sure whatever she's done and whatever she's saying and whatever she said last night, it came from a place of care and affection.
Last two questions before I relieve you from here.
Okay.
अगर घर में जाने के बाद आपको शिल्पा मैम को एडवाइस देनी होगी कि ये सदस्य जगह प्लीज थोड़ा दूर रहे ना, वन एंड डिस्टेंस पे रहे, दिस पर्सन इज नॉट गुड फॉर यू, ऐसा कौन सा सदस्य होगा जिसके अगेंस्ट आप वार्न करना चाहते हैं?
Honestly मैं ऐसे कोई like I wouldn't name anyone in particular. मैं उनको बोलूंगी कि याद रखना कि आप गेम में हो, because it's ऐसे नहीं है कि लोग like they'll turn their back on you कि it's not, I'm not saying that, and I think that everyone is like उनके सबके like असली characters, and I don't think anyone is playing a game like that as such, because इतने दिनों गए, like it's very hard to put up a character like that. But I think कि सब लोग like खुद को prioritize कर रहे हैं, and I think that's the thing that she should keep in mind कि I also have to prioritize myself, and I think that's what she should focus on. ऐसे नहीं है कि I think it's a waste of time कि अगर मैं बोलूँगी कि ये like he will betray you, कि he will do that, or she will do this, because then she'll focus on those people and she won't focus on herself. So I think अभी के लिए I will not tell her कि इसके असली रंग दिखे नहीं है, and he's a bit of a चालू one. I won't say any of that because I don't think that's true. I think कि मैं उनको बोलूँगी कि खुद की गेम पे फोकस करें.
Lastly, if not Shilpa ji, who do you see winning this Big Boss Ki trophy?
I hope it is my mom, but I wouldn't be surprised if any of them win, to be honest. I think they're all very big personalities, and they've all clearly made it so far for a reason. They've all played amazingly. They've all had amazing game strategy, so I wouldn't be surprised if any of them win.
Correct.
And honestly, they deserve it. They've come so far that I wouldn't be surprised.
She's so much of positivity and zeal and enthusiasm that I'm telling you. Shilpa ma'am और इनका घर के अंदर जाने का मिलन देखने के लिए मैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा excited हूँ. Thank you so much for talking to us. It was wonderful having you here. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Signing off, this is Nikita Bhagwan with cameraman Yogesh Keni, India Forums, Mumbai.